In the digital age, artificial intelligence is reshaping education, offering transformative benefits. Imagine classrooms where personalized learning is the norm. AI accesses individual students, tailoring learning experiences based on their unique strengths and weaknesses. Apps like Things to Math track progress, ensuring each student's needs are met, enhancing engagement and preventing anyone from falling behind. AI not only personalizes learning but also reduces the teacher's workload. AI-powered content creation produces high-quality educational materials. ChatGPT is one of the best content creating tools. Tools like Copilot are beneficial for planning lessons in minutes, freeing teachers from time-consuming tasks. This enables educators to focus on meaningful interactions, student engagement, and addressing individual needs. In essence, AI in education is a game changer, creating a dynamic and tailored learning environment. This video explores how AI is revolutionizing classrooms, ensuring a high-quality education that is both engaging and efficient for both students and teachers. Let's delve into the exciting world of AI in education and its impact on the future of learning.